Lynx. You remember Lynx from LOLCAL just
Oh,
got her
she got her
driver's license?
I was looking at that.
So
yeah.
I just realized that Keemstar was trying to fuck some bitch that didn't even have a driver's license. Whoa,
He's like,
buddy!
I can drive
I'm
now,
a
yay.
big kid now. Like, what are we doing, Daniel?
Yo,
You're
that
supposed like,
that
whoa!
sex tape call. Remember the call?
Oh no!
Did we ever watch that? No, we never
No, we
watched that.
didn't. We didn't. It's too brutal, buddy.
It's
like,
really
who wants to
gross.
watch that? Who wants
What
to
did he
watch
say?
that?
You're gonna need flood insurance because your pussy's gonna get so wet. Ooh.
Grimy.
Let's not be mean to Keem.
Greasy.
Whenever we make a
he
joke,
gets upset. He gets on
melts
his
down.
period. He's on the rag again.
Yeah, he melts down.
Diageo